Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Shirnice and welcome back to Simply Niqua. In today's video, I decided to go look in my closet and find some clothes that I want to refurbish and make new again so I can wear them more often than I do now. So I picked 3 articles of clothing and that I want to change up a little bit or to refurbish completely. And so if you want to know and check out some of the clothes that I picked and going to refurbish and see how all the outcome, go ahead, sit back and relax and continue watching. But before you continue watching, go down below and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already, and if you're new here to this channel, and also give me a like down below, don't forget that. And other than that, let's get started with this video. Since I have a love of sewing and a love of clothes, there are some clothes that have been in my closet that I haven't really worn in a while or worn for a certain reason. So that's why I decided to make this video to show you that you can refurbish old clothing and maybe inspire you to do some of this to your own garments. So garment number 1, I wanted to start off something pretty easy, and this is how the garment looks right now. It's just a long sleeve, nice fitted, lovely dress that I have gotten. It's not really an old dress, but my only issue with this dress is the sleeves. I'm not a big long sleeve person and I feel so claustrophobic when I have it on. With jackets and stuff it's fine because I can take it off, but with long sleeve shirts like that, I don't really like it that much. It's not like I can't wear them, but I just don't like it. So today I'm going to take off the sleeves off this beautiful dress and make this more wearable for me. So I had 2 options. I could cut the sleeves all the way off and make it more of like a tank top dress, or I can have cut it in a certain way to make just a little sleeve. So after deciding, I decided to go along with making a little sleeve for this dress. All I have to do is cut the desired length of where I want the sleeves to be. And then give a little hem at the end of the sleeve. And that will fix this dress and make me more of a happy girl. If you want to see the outcome of all of these garments, you have to wait to the end. So let's go ahead and jump over to alteration number 2. The second alteration that I want to do that I found in my closet was this long skirt. And since I'm a short petite girl, I'm only 5 foot, this skirt, as you can see, it is pretty long and it is pretty up high on my belly already, and it's just a nuisance to walk around in. Sometimes you just always gotta wear high heels or just let it drag all in the dirt. But so I don't really want that to happen anymore, and I really want to wear this again, so I'm going to chop off a lot of that skirt and make it more of a short skirt. So I found the desired length that I want the skirt to stop at, so I cut at that area. Then I decided to make this dress a little something. I wanted to add a little slit in the clothing. So on the right side of the skirt for the slit, and then I will now hem the slit sections and around the bottom of the skirt as well to hem the skirt and finish it all up. The last and final big alteration that I'm going to do for this video is I have this vest. And I don't necessarily know why I haven't really worn this vest much, and so I really want to refurbish this vest that maybe I can wear it, you know, a little bit more. So I decided to make this vest, this blue jean vest, into a jacket. So I have a lot of jackets and hoodies. So an old jacket I had in my closet, I'm going to cut off the sleeves of that. So first I measured around the vest armhole to see how wide that armhole of the vest is. And then I went ahead and did the same thing to the jacket, and both were the same measurement. So then I cut around the purple jacket that I have that I'm going to put on the vest, and cut around that jacket sleeve to cut them off. Then I sewed the jacket's sleeve onto the vest. to the ending of this video, the fun part, to see how everything end up and see how everything looks on my body, if it's right, if it looks good. So for the dress, this is what it looks like.
Blue, there is so much cold in you. And this
For the skirt, this is what the outcome of that.
I just stay dancing.
And lastly, and this is the outcome of the new improved vest that turned into a jacket.
I can't find the
So now that you have seen all 3 alterations and all of that, which one was your favorite? Go down below in the comments and tell me your favorite. Which one do you think looked best on me, and which of the ones that you think you should do for yourself with your own clothing. I hope I inspired you to fix any of your clothing that you haven't worn in a while, that you want to refurbish and to make them new again to you, to your own style. I hope I inspired someone out there to do that yourself as well. So other than that, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already and you're new here, go down below and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much if you do, and also give me a like down below if you liked this video and you haven't done it already. What are you doing? I will catch you back next week. Bye.